the CM Secretariat. Even after the state government agreed to discuss the job reservation policy, the Voice of the People Party President Ardent Miller Basoy will continue with his indefinite hunger strike and wait for the outcome of the deliberations with the government. While accepting the invitation of the government, VPP Maulai MLA Bright Starwell Marbanyang said that the stand of the party remains the same. The VPP legislator further informed that they are going to continue with their protest if they are unhappy with the outcome of the deliberations with the government on this issue.
As you know that our party, irrespective of whoever would be in the meeting, we will go as one voice. And so the president will not, possible for him to, and he will continue with this, with the hunger strike until we get a clear, signal from the government.
The Meghalaya government on May 30th